What's up, guys? Right now we are leaving from Kohli Hills. The luggage is set. We are set. It's been raining over here since morning, so that's why we've been a little bit delayed. Right now it is 8:45 in the morning. We're a bit late, but the distance is not too much. It's just 237 kilometers today. Should take us around 5 to 6 hours. Okay. My previous video is still getting updated. This is my setup so far, like the gloves, the spare phone that I use for navigation, the Rider Hydra bag, my jacket, my tail bag, and my tank bag, and the Rhinox pants and shoes. So yeah, the view over here is amazing, like I showed in the previous vlog. So yeah, I shall see you guys on the road. Today we will be going a bit slow while going down because it's downhill and the road is also wet, so we don't want to risk it just for the biscuit. So we'll be going very slow. On the way we'll be feeding some monkeys as well. So if you guys notice any one of your relatives, let me know. See ya. So guys, right now we are leaving from the resort and we are going towards the petrol bunk to fill fuel. Nice resort, lovely space, very spacious. Yeah, so we're going to the petrol bunk now, which is right opposite the hotel. हाँ तो मेरा हवा देखो बराबर है क्या आगे का बराबर है ना There was some issue with the fuel bunk, so we didn't fill from there. We are now heading down Kohli Hills. I have around 4 lights. 4 lights should be sufficient. I am getting a range of 266. So yeah. And Jerome will also have around 100 kilometers easily. So we can go down and fill. That's not an issue. Jerome, give me 2 minutes. राइट में हाय मंकी हाय हाय श्री नची अम्मन टेम्पल ये क्या झाड़ गिरा कर तेरी गाड़ी गाड़ी वाला चाहिए अपने को कैन यू बिलीव इट ये फॉग आया और केयरलेस विस्पर बजने लगा द फॉग स्टार्टेड एंड द सॉन्ग केयरलेस विस्पर स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग So guys, we have finally ended Kohli Hills. This is the last hairpin bend and yeah, it was an amazing experience. Kohli Hills basically shows you that no matter how experienced you are, you should always know when to ride, how to ride, and always respect the road and the environment. I shall see you guys on the highway. Guys, do not go to Parra, Goa. Come to Tamil Nadu, guys. Come to Tamil Nadu. Look at the trees both the sides. Parra is so overrated. Come to Tamil Nadu. Guys, we are apparently in a village that is known for bananas, Kela. There's bananas on the left, there's bananas on the right, and there's bananas down. Sorry. Yeah, so there we have bananas. Amazing bananas. NH32. This road leads directly to Rameshwaram. I don't know where it originates, but it goes directly to Rameshwaram. Yeah, and it's not that a broad highway. I thought it would be, but it is a main highway. So yeah, the sun's outside. We are in our rain liners because it was raining heavily on the previous highway. And yeah, our estimate time of arrival is showing 6:24 p.m. I don't think so we'll get to wander at Dhanushkodi today, so we'll have to plan that for tomorrow. I shall see you guys later. We're crossing over here. I believe this crossing goes from this side to that side for Pamban Bridge. So yeah, even I don't know where that is and what happens. So yeah. Guys, at the moment we are on Pamban Bridge, the very famous India's pride, the Pamban Bridge. That's the old bridge, that's the new bridge, I guess, not sure. We aren't allowed to overtake on the flyover, so we are just lucky as this guy. Yeah, let's see all the fishing boats towards the right, and the amazing ocean left on the right as well. I'm not sure, I guess that's the Bay of Bengal and that is the Indian Ocean. Wow, yeah, Rahul, wow. I'm just looking at the view, it's just amazing. I don't know whether the old bridge also opens over. हाँ चलो तो कैमरा से निकल दो ना. whoa. नहीं this fellow pregnant. What's up, guys? So we reached the hotel. It took us 9 hours for 357 some kilometers. So yeah, we've reached the hotel right now. We just had dinner, got done with dinner, and yeah, the hotel is amazing. Like this is the entrance, and yeah, that's the other side of the hotel. The bikes are parked here. The bikes are here. So yeah, Zoe performing as always, and Jerome's bike also performing well. It was an amazing ride. It was tiring. I almost hit a cow. I'll be putting that in the video. I've already put it basically because this is the end. So yeah, I need to get used to this. So yeah, amazing hotel, great rooms, great, very spacious, amazing food. So yeah, I shall see you guys in tomorrow's video then. Cool. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Good night.